Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cindy here, and today we are going to make a basic face mask pattern. So first of all, you must draw a rectangle of 11.3 centimeters by 13 centimeters and mark points A, B, C and D on each corner like I'm doing. Now from A to B, measure 4 centimeters and mark point E. From D to C, measure also 4 centimeters and mark point F. From B to C, measure 9 centimeters and mark point G. From A to D, measure also 9 centimeters and mark point H. From D to F, measure 0.7 centimeters and mark point I. From A to E, measure also 0.7 centimeters and mark point J. From G to B, measure 1 centimeter and mark point K. From I to J, measure 4 centimeters and mark point L. From G to L, measure 2.5 centimeters and mark point M. Now that we've got all the points, we must join them together. Get your pattern master and join from F to M to K. Now from F to L to J. If you don't have a pattern master like the one that I'm using, you see this ruler, just draw freehand. However, try to curve the lines as much as possible. And that's it, it's done. We've got the shape that we wanted. Now let's add seam allowance in order to be able to sew. Let's add 1 centimeter seam allowance all around with the exception from B to C. Let's add 1.5 centimeters there instead. Now get your scissors and cut off the shape. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye guys!